Everyone, it's Sunday, May 18th, 2025. I'm Priyati Imam and I would love to welcome you to the Wayland World Festival here in Wayland, Massachusetts. Here at this festival, we're all here to show our different cultures, our backgrounds, and who we are. Today, I'm going to be a part of a group called Charolipi, and we are representing the Indian Bengali culture. We're going to be singing two pieces by the famous Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you for watching, and we really hope you enjoy our performance. And thank you to Wayland World Festival for inviting us.